Today I will take you to time travel. This is gonna be once in a lifetime experience.
Wow, look at that.
Is it cool?
I have seen it on the internet.
I think our countries knows each other in the ancient times.
Chinese people preserve their culture so well. Like the history is in front of my eyes. Hello everyone.
Hello.
Good morning.
Good morning.
So today we will start our journey, but I don't know where we will go. Lulu, please tell me.
Because I kept it as a secret, today I will take you to time travel.
So we are finally here.
Finally.
It looks like a museum,
Yes, it is
Really?
a museum. Yes.
but we have got a lot of museum in Beijing.
But I promise you, this is gonna be one of the once in a lifetime experience.
After being dormant for 3,000 years, it shocked the world upon awakening, dating back approximately 4,500 years to 2,800 years. The San Xingdui archaeological site is considered one of the greatest archaeological discoveries of the 20th century. The unique history uncovered here has captured global attention. The cultural relics from the San Xingdui Museum have made their way into many countries in Europe, America, Asia, as well as the regions of Hong Kong, Macau, and Taiwan, receiving widespread acclaim. The San Xingdui Museum is not only a golden business card for cultural exchange from Sichuan, China, but also a testimony to the cultural exchanges and trade between ancient China and Pakistan, India, and Bangladesh.
Some scientists believe that back in ancient times, China and the Indus River valleys has trade activities going on. So, Shu is also the starting point of Southern Silk Road.
In recent years, a growing viewpoint suggests the existence of an ancient trade route in pre-Qin China known as the Southern Silk Road, which predates the well-known Silk Road in the northern regions during the Han Dynasty. This trade route, with Chengdu as its starting point, traversed the Chinese hinterland of Yunnan and extended southward towards India. Eventually, it reaches Southeast Asia, Central Asia, and the Near East region.
Back in 1200 BCE, China and the Indus River has trade. We conducted trade.
So that's why.
That's why it represents so many Indus River Valley characteristics. I think our countries knows each other in the ancient times.
Yeah.
In the sacrificial pits of San Xingdui, the archaeology community discovered a large number of dental shells from the warm waters of Myanmar and the Indian Ocean, which pushed the formation of the Southern Silk Road back to the Western Shu period over 3,000 years ago. The ancient Shu kingdom has reappeared in the public eye as a result of the discoveries of San Xingdui and Jinsha sites. It must be stated that the ancient Shu kingdom's geographical location was unique and advantageous. It has towering mountains and rugged hills that served as a strong protective barrier. The ancient Shu kingdom became a secluded paradise in this situation. However, this left us with many unanswered questions. What was the origin of the ancient Shu kingdom? What happened to the ancient Shu kingdom? How did a civilization survive in the absence of a written language? With these questions in mind, let us begin by investigating the kingdom's origins.
What is this?
This is the genealogy of the Shu kings.
How to read that word? That character. Chong?
Cancong.
Chen Song.
Cancong. The first king's name is Cancong, the founding father of Shu dynasty.
Shu kings, right?
Yes, Shu, Shuguo, Shu
Okay.
kingdoms. Yes. Remember Cancong.
That is a surprise.
There will be a surprise later.
The ancient Shu kingdom, like Pakistan, was a great agricultural nation. As Lu mentioned, Chen Chong was the first king of this kingdom. This king, according to historical record, wore a green robe, advocated for agriculture and sericulture, and was the first to use stone coffins. He organized land reclamation and silkworm cultivation on the Chengdu plain with courage and wisdom, resulting in the development of production and economy and establishing the glorious history of the ancient Shu kingdom. Since then, the ancient Shu kingdom's silk production culture has not only spread to the Central Plains region but has also expanded and flourished in Southeast Asia and South Asia, including Pakistan.
Wow, look at that.
Is it cool?
I have seen it on the internet.
Really?
Yeah. But
It looks a bit weird.
yeah.
I know. It's supposed to be representing real humans, but it looks so weird. So remember from the beginning, I asked you to remember Tan Cong,
Yeah.
the first Shu king.
Yeah.
Lots of scientists suggested that why the Sanxingdui people look so a little bit weird is because they try to copy the looks of Tan Cong.
In 1986, 3 bronze masks were unearthed from pit number 2 of the Sanxingdui site. These masks varied in size but shared a common characteristic: large ears and mouths. Many scholars believe that these masks represent the image of Chen Chong, the first king of Shu. More precisely, they depict the deified form of Chen Chong.
According to the history books and history texts, Tan Cong is supposed to look like this, which is with a high nose structure and large eyes and wide eyebrows. That's why it looks a little bit weird.
These uniquely shaped and exquisitely crafted national treasures seem completely unrelated to the Han culture relics unearthed during the same period.
I know what is this.
You know what?
This one is card tree.
Yes, there's birds on top of it. You know, in the ancient Chinese history, people used to say golden birds carries the sun, and to achieve the sunset and sunrise. So you see, on this tree there are 9 birds.
9 birds.
Yes, but
Let me count.
Yeah,
1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5? One is this side. 6, 7, 8. Where is the last one?
Do the 9 divine birds on the bronze tree have any symbolic meaning? According to the description in the Classic of Mountains and Seas, Eastern Wastelands, there were 10 suns carried by the golden crow, taking turns to rise and set at different times of the day. People used to believe that it is because of this rotation that they can witness the sunrise and sunset. The bronze tree has 9 golden crows on it, while the 10th one carries the sun to bring light to the mortal realm. That is why we do not see its figure on the bronze tree.
I think in the ancient Chinese civilization, they use this tree as one of the coordinates to tell where is where. So it's quite significant.
China's ancient time is really interesting.
The towering divine tree is entirely made of bronze, reaching a height of 384 centimeters. The top portion is missing, but it is estimated to have a total height of over 4 meters. The intricate structure and exquisite craftsmanship of the divine tree make it truly unparalleled in the world. In the excavation of Sanxingdui, a variety of exquisite bronze artifacts have been unearthed. Although bronze smelting technology existed during the same period, the bronze artifacts from Sanxingdui are exceptionally delicate. Even by today's standards, they are considered flawless. What puzzles experts is that when high temperature copper comes into contact with a low temperature mold, the flow rate slows down due to temperature drop, making it difficult to pour into intricate details. However, the precision of the bronze artifacts from Sanxingdui has been perfectly preserved. Through scientific research, it has been discovered that these bronze artifacts contain phosphorus. It is noteworthy that phosphorus, an element not discovered by the world until the 17th century, was already known to the ancient Shu people nearly 3,000 years earlier, who taught them these advanced techniques. Like the Maya civilization, the ancient Babylonian civilization, and the ancient Egyptian civilization. The enigmatic ancient Shu kingdom was located along the mysterious latitude of 30° north. The unearthed peculiar and mysteriously eerie artifacts at Sanxingdui, could they possibly be constructed by extraterrestrial beings?
It looked a bit weird.
Yeah, I know.
Why?
Many mysteries have been left to us by the ancient people of the Shu kingdom. The once brilliant civilization of the southwest vanished into the mists of time, leaving us only with regret and endless imagination. More and more mysterious elements are gradually being revealed as archaeology advances. There is also a forgotten and sealed chapter of history in this process that is largely unknown.
So there's one really interesting story back in times when the archaeologists discovered Sanxingdui, and they were so excited, but they're scared that locals might damage the relics. So they put on their best poker face and pretend that's just useless brass. And they told everybody it's useless.
Useless?
Yeah. But you know, in fact, it's a treasure for the entire humanity. So they paddle their bicycles in the pitch of the night, and they hurried to spread the news. And one of the archaeologists broke not one, but two of his front tooth.
Oh.
Initially, the archaeological efforts yielded little results, leading people to believe that Sanxingdui was merely a primitive community with a low level of civilization. Until 1986, when the archaeological team excavated two sacrificial pits that the dormant treasure of Sanxingdui, which had been asleep for thousands of years, was slowly awakened.
So I just want to say it's well preserved.
Yeah.
Like the history is in front of my eyes.
Yes,
Yeah.
exactly. Because in China here we pay a lot of attention on preserving the old relics.
Yeah.
And maintaining the old culture and also develop in the more modern, nice era. A lot of archaeologists put so much efforts and energy into relics preservation and historic studies so that today we can see it.
The sacrificial pits at Sanxingdui have yielded a large number of important cultural relics, although the excavation area represents only about 2% of the total site. Archaeology is like opening a blind box. You never know what the next discovery will be, as each item is often hidden. Archaeologists work tirelessly day and night to rescue these artifacts. They meticulously remove every inch of soil from the sacrificial pits, employing various advanced techniques to carefully protect and restore the unearthed cultural relics.
The darker one is the original pieces, and the lighter one is the modern archaeologists. They try to place the entire pottery plates together. So they use the modern materials so that it can hold everything together.
I think so. The dark one is from ancient time.
Yes, ancient times.
In the artifact restoration exhibition area of the Sanxingdui Museum, various specialized archaeological instruments and equipments are provided. Two digital microscopes and ceramic shard specimens are available for visitors to learn and observe the texture and patterns of the artifacts.
How do you think of this museum?
I think so. This museum is so big and really interesting.
Really
You know, I think so. Chinese people preserve their culture so well, and I love this museum.
Okay.
And what about you?
Like it?
Yeah, of course.
I love it a lot. I think it's really informative. And
Informative. Yeah.
Yeah, we learned a lot today. And it's great to look at the old Chinese civilization.
Yeah.
And also it's cool to see the combination of Chinese civilization as well as the Hindus Ocean Valley.
Ocean Valley. Yeah.
Hindus River Valley.
Yeah.
Yeah, it is cool.
Yeah, it is cool. So, what do you think about this? Let us know in comment section.
See you.
Okay, see you. Bye bye.